Good afternoon. I'd like to buy a train ticket to Oxford, please.
Good afternoon. When would you like to travel?
I would like to travel tomorrow, Saturday, May 17th.
I understand. How many tickets do you need?
Just one. For myself?
Do you prefer to travel in standard class or first class?
What's the difference?
In first class, the seats are more spacious and comfortable, and sometimes there's complimentary Wi-Fi and refreshments. In standard class, the seats are comfortable but more compact. The journey time is the same.
I think I'll travel in standard class then. What's the price?
A one-way ticket to Oxford in standard class for tomorrow costs £25.50.
Are there different departure times tomorrow?
Yes. We have departures at 8:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 2:30 p.m., and 5:30 p.m.
I would like to take the 11:30 a.m. train, please.
Perfect. Do you only need a one-way ticket, or would you also like to buy a return ticket?
I only need a one-way ticket for now. I'm not sure when I'll return.
Understood. So, one-way ticket in standard class to Oxford for tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. May I see your ID, please? Thank you. Here is your ticket. Please be at the station at least 20 minutes before the departure time. The departure platform will be displayed on the information screens about 15 minutes before.
Perfect. Which platform does the train to Oxford usually depart from?
It's usually platform number 7, but please check the information screens upon arrival to confirm.